So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome once again. We are starting with the revision for class 12 CBSE syllabus for term 1. Just to begin with, let's take a quick survey and see if we know the syllabus. You've got section A, which is a reading comprehension. Section B, we've got creative writing skills, which are notice writing and classified advertisement. Then there's a letter to the editor where we need to give suggestions or opinions on issues of public interest and article writing. Then we come to the literature section, which is section C. We have got from Flamingo, the last lesson, the Lost Spring, Deep Waters. And then in poetry, we've got My Mother at 66, an elementary school classroom in a slum, keeping quiet. And of course, we've got the third level and the NAB. Is this the correct syllabus which is there with me? Is this the syllabus which we have? Or is it something else? So, getting back to it, let us start with notice writing. I'm sure we all know it, but why don't we go through a quick run through? What we need to do is we need to take a fresh sheet of paper for notice writing. Yeah. Yeah. So on top, we need to write the name of the institute. I think there's some issue with the marker. The name of the institute will come on top.
ड्राइवर लेके जाएंगे तो ठीक रहेगा हाँ
And then we put a comma after that. I don't think the board is visible. Is the board visible? If it is not, then yeah. So rushing to we write the name of the institute, we put a comma and the location where the institute is located. It could be Vidya International School, comma. The other option it could be Holy Flower.
कम है क्या इस गाड़ी में यहाँ से वहां तक का
The name of the first line we write.
we बता रहे हैं
the institute and we write the place. So here is the name of the institute followed by place. After that, what we do is we write the word notice in block. Fair enough? So the word notice comes in block. Once we move ahead with that, then we give the title of the notice. Now, the title has to be something which is 6 words or less. Just for example, write a notice to the student of the school informing them about the picnic which has been planned to the Red Fort. The title could be Picnic to Red Fort. Picnic planned for Red Fort would be fine, but then with that, what will happen is it will not look that good. So, for students, that could be the picnic for students to Red Fort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That could be. The thing is, your topic, your title should not be more than 6 words. It should be 6 words or less. Once the title is written, then on the left side we write the date. The best way I would suggest, there are many formats of writing the date. The best format I could suggest is one which I am mentioning out here. You write the date, let us say 3rd December 2021. Because that would be the date. The date would be 3rd December 2021. Once that is done, we leave a line and we start writing the notice. Once again, let us revise what we've done so far. We write name of the institute, we put a comma, and then, I'm sorry, it may not be I hope am I audible? We start with the name of the institute, we put a comma, and the next line we mention the word notice, then we write title. We mention, we write notice, we write title, we leave we write the notice and we mention 5 points. The 50 word limit which is there, the word limit for 50 word is the limit for the message of the notice. So, what are the 5 points? Just hold on for a moment. So back. In the notice we need to mention 5 points. What are we talking about? The notice is about what thing? And then we come with the after what? When, where, why, how. The best way to write a notice message, the message of the body of the notice, we talk about these 5 questions. What, when, where, how, why. So, for example, a notice for a picnic to the Red Fort. We start with, what is the first thing we start with? A picnic has been planned for the students of classes 8 to 12 to the Red Fort. That is what? When on 15th January 2022. The students need to come to the school at 8 a.m. to ensure that everybody leaves at 9. How? Everybody needs to deposit the amount by the 15th of December to ensure. See, now what we are doing in this case, we are mentioning all the details, but we are mentioning it in a lot of sentences. We need to ensure that we write proper sentences, but along with that, we use as less words as possible. Because believe me, as you all know, the word limit is only 50 words. So, once we finish writing the notice message, we leave a line and we put signature. Signature of the person who is writing the notice, that's of course there. Along with the signature, what needs to be done is, name of the complete name of the person is mentioned, and what is mentioned is the designation of the person who is writing the notice if the designation is mentioned in the question. Now, coming to the name of the person who is writing the notice, you will mention the name which is given to you. If the question says you are Rohit /Ritika of ABC Public School, Jamnagar, then the name you would have to choose one name, either Rohit or Ritika, just one name. If the full name is mentioned, you are Rohit Verma /Ritika Goel, then you choose either Rohit Verma or Ritika Goel. Else, just write the name which is given in the question. That is one thing. Now, signature you would mention, and if the designation is given, you are Rohit Verma /Ritika Goel of the head girl / head boy of ABC Public School Jamnagar, then you mention your designation. Else you do not mention it. What we will do is we will also be sharing a format with you all regarding the notice writing format. So fair enough. Along with that, what we need to keep in mind, there are few points we need to keep in mind. Number one, we do not begin with the formalities like this is to inform you that. Because what happens is when we mention this is to inform you that, we end up using a lot of words, 6 to 7 words out of 50. That is an utter wastage of words. So we don't mention this is to inform you that. we do not use the first or second person pronoun. It is never I, Vinay Goyal, are writing this notice. No. The notice we write, and when you need to mention yourself or the notice writer, you simply mention. What you simply mention is, please contact the undersigned. So that is a do not use of while writing the title. It is never Vinay Goyal, President of Debating Club. It is Vinay Goyal. The next line, the designation is President, comma, Debating Club, Varuna Public School, Jamnagar. So instead of, we put a comma. That is a all contents in the heading needs to be in title case. What is title case? All words should start with a capital letter and uppercase letter. And then what needs to be done is, when the words are written in title case, then when this is being done, the words prepositions like for, of, these of course could be in lowercase. So I assume this is all which we need to discuss about notice writing. What I will do is I'll try to find a format and let us see if we can discuss this format. So in the meanwhile, if you've got any question about notice writing format, I would request you if you could just unmute yourself and ask your question. Let's go ahead. Yes. What we are going to do is we'll be sharing the format of notice writing and we will discuss it again. In the meanwhile, is there any question that you'd like to ask, or we could move ahead with the other topic? If somebody could mention either in the chat or you could unmute yourself and mention. Okay, just a moment, please. So I hope I'm visible and we are ready to begin with sharing the format. Just give me a minute, please. Yes, you could unmute yourself and you can ask your question. In the meanwhile, we'll starting. Is the screen visible? Yeah. I hope I'm audible. So once again, let us revise the notice writing format. We start with name of the organization and the place where the organization. Then we write the word notice in block letters. After that, we have the title or the heading. And then once we write the title of the heading, we put the date Once the date is put, we have these, if you see these dotted lines, they are for, these lines, they are to denote, they are for the message of the notice. Once that is done, we leave a line and we put our signature, write the name and give the designation if there is any. Let's have an example. Look at the example of a notice. Rockwood High School, Missouri. The word notice has been written in block letters. And below that, we have mentioned trials for cricket team. The date has been mentioned 06th April 2013. The 0 before 06 is not required. You could just mention 6 April 2013. Then, of course, after we do this, we leave a line. If you see, there's a gap available. There's a gap here, out here. The gap denotes that the line has been left. Trials for selection of school cricket team will be held on 15th April 2013 on the cricket field from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Interested students can give their names to the PE teachers and be present at the venue at 3:30 p.m. sharp. They will have to make their own transport arrangement as school buses will not fly. Let us look at the number of points which have been mentioned. Trials for selection will be held on, what will be done? Trials for selections held on the date. Second point is the date is mentioned. Where it will be held? It will be held as a cricket field. Then, of course, the timings are mentioned. That's another point. How do the people move ahead? What is the next thing to be done? Children who are interested need to give their names to the teacher and reach the venue at the time which is given. And they have to make their own transport arrangement. Once all these points are mentioned, we leave a line and we put signatures. If you see Balwinder has been mentioned in italics, it is just to denote that it is the signature. The name of the person is mentioned, Balwinder. Now in bracket, we start writing the designation, which is captain, comma, school cricket team. And then it closes. Now, we come to the box around the notice. If we do not make the box, no marks are cut. Better option, do not make the box. Also, since tomorrow would be a paper which would be multiple choice, on the 3rd, the paper would be multiple choice examination. So I don't think we need to worry so much so about the box or the writing. But yet there's no harm in knowing about it. Now, the important points, we would request if you could just take a screenshot of these important points for the time being. As what we will do is we will share these, we'll share the formats with you. No need to begin with formalities. This is to inform you. I mean, I'm just repeating what I've said earlier. Don't use first, second person pronoun. Give all relevant details, date, place, time, other information. Now, the word limit is 50 words. And the word limit is only for the body of the notice. Body of the notice is start from the word trial and yeah. The highlighted stuff, the highlighted thing is the body of the notice. I'm just highlighting. The 50 word limit is for this. The words which are highlighted. I hope it's visible. 50 word limit is only for these things, the body of the notice. Don't use off while writing the designation. It is always secretary, culture club, not secretary of the culture club. And if you need to refer to yourself, use the word undersigned. And of course, the title has to be in title case less than 6 words. Once again, the organization name and the place followed by the word notice in block, trials for, and then the title in less than 6 words, date. And then after that, we follow with the body, leave a line, signature, write the name and the designation. So I hope this has been useful. If there's any doubt regarding notices, we'll be discussing them now. I had seen somebody raise their hand. So if there's anybody who wish to ask anything, we can do that. Or what we'll do is we'll end the recording now and we'll restart. We'll end the recording now and then we'll move ahead. Thank you, everyone. We'll be starting the next topic in a couple of minutes. Thank you.